Musamseleku promised Mangwabe that she would be the last wife. Musamseleku and Mangwabe, they dated for a long time. They started dated on 2008. At that time, Masaule, his late wife, was still alive. And Musamseleku bring Mangwabe in Muzumbe on 2010. All the time, Musamseleku was begging Mangwabe to get married to him. But Mangwabe doesn't want to marry to Musamseleku. They want to be girlfriend and boyfriend only. But Musamseleku promised Mangwabe that she will be the last wife. He is not getting married to another wife. That's why Mangwabe agreed to marry Musamseleku. But Musamseleku broke the promise. When it comes to Mayeni, Musamseleku didn't promise Mayeni that she will be the last wife, because Mayeni knows that Musamseleku married to two wives, Macele and Makumalo. But Mayeni said, yes, I will marry you. What happened? Because when you say yes to a man who is married to two wives, you have to expect anything. So that's why Musamseleku introduced Makumalo. After introducing Makumalo to Mayeni, Mayeni got angry. And after that, he introduced Mangwabe. Mayeni got angry again, and now it's Makwela. Mayeni got angry again. So, guys, to Mangwabe, we can understand, because Musamseleku broke the promise to Mangwabe. But when it comes to Mayeni, Musamseleku didn't promise anything to Mayeni. But Mangwabe and Makumalo, Musamseleku said he is not getting married to a person who came from the same place with Makumalo, because Makumalo came from Muzumbe and Makwela is coming from the same place. Musamseleku broke the promise. But when it comes to Mayeni, Musamseleku didn't promise Mayeni anything. But Mayeni doesn't want to agree with the Musamseleku's decision. When she agreed, she took a decision to be Musamseleku's third wife. Mayeni have to know that there is another trailer is coming after her. So she has to prepare herself to accept other wives like Mayeni and Masaule. They accept him. Mayeni, Macele, and Masaule, they accept here. Why she can't accept other wives when other wives accept him? Especially Macele, it was very painful for her that Musamseleku introduced Mayeni as the mother of her child, and Mpumelelo was older than Lwahle. So it was very painful to Macele. It looks like Musamseleku and Mayeni, sometimes they are dating, sleeping together behind Macele. Macele, she doesn't know. Musamsele could do many things, guys, behind Macele, but Macele was keeping quiet. But Mayeni doesn't want to allow Musamseleku to bring Makwela. Macele was right and say, you tolerate Mayeni a lot. When Mayeni said a thing, Musamseleku can tolerate her more than Macele. That's why Macele told Musamseleku, if you want to marry the wife number 5, took here if you still love me, because you bring other wives, Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Makumalo. At that time, Macele feel the pain. They have to feel the pain. That's why Musamseleku tolerate Macele more than Mangwabe and Mayeni, because Mayeni, what I saw, she want to control what I saw. She want to control everything. She said Musamseleku have to do it. Mayeni can do things on her thing, what I saw, or on her time. If she doesn't want, she doesn't want. So that's why Macele was angry. Why Mayeni now want to control like she is the first wife? What, you know that she feels like maybe she was the one who started dating Musamseleku. Maybe she feels like she is the oldest wife, like sometimes what I saw. Because even the way she hate Macele sometimes, like Macele took her husband, or I don't understand, but Musamseleku didn't promise Mayeni anything that you will be the last wife, what. Guys, Musamseleku dated, even Snare's mother was the first, because it's not Mayeni, you understand? So guys, there is a lot of things between Mayeni Mangwawe and Musamseleku. But to Mangwawe, you can understand because Mangwawe doesn't want to marry Musamseleku. But Musamseleku forced Mangwawe and say, you are the last wife